So welcome students. In this question you're given that a fair dice is thrown 8 times. What is the probability that the third 6 occurs exactly in the 8th row? So if a dice is thrown 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If a dice is thrown 8 times, so you get 8 different outputs. You might get 8 different outputs. Some can be same also. So now I want my third 6 to come in the 8th row. That means this 8th row has to be equal to 6. And in the first 7th rows, you should get exactly 2 6s, right? Exactly 2 6s. So if you get exactly 2 6s in the first 7th rows and exactly 6 in the 8th row, this condition will be satisfied. Now how do you find the probability? Again, this is a binomial trial. Each throw of dice. So each throw of dice is a binomial trial. And assume that getting a 6 is a success. So what is the probability of success? Is 1 by 6. Probability of failure is 5 by 6. Now, so in the first 7th rows, you should get exactly 2 6s. So what is the probability that x is equal to 2 in 7th rows? There's nothing but 7c2 into success probability whole square into failure probability whole power 5. And what is the probability that we get exactly 6 in the 8th row? 1 by 6. This is a single try. So what is the probability that this happens and this happens? Nothing but multiplication, because these are independent of each other. So the answer is 7c2 into 5 power 5 divided by 6 power 5, 6 square and 6 power 8. So this will be the answer to this question. Thank you.